The Sutherland Shire has some of New South Wales' most pristine and unique diving. The first site on the list is Oak Park, an easy 5 to 10 metre deep site with an abundance of fish life. Up next are the pristine coral gardens of Kurnell, home to one of Australia's largest Weedy Sea Dragon populations. Now, we all know diving is very condition dependent, and when the surface at Oak Park is full of surfers and Kurnell is a little choppy, the Shire is also home to one of New South Wales' best protected sites, Shiprock. So if you haven't yet explored beneath the Shire, I urge you to take the plunge.